Hi, friends. This is the first video on our channel. I'll tell you why we created this channel and what you can expect to see here. The channel is dedicated to electronics, robotics, and smart devices that we develop for creative projects at home. We create projects that even beginners can handle, including kids who are interested in automation and programming. Here you'll find detailed breakdowns of devices, examples of home automation, as well as instructions, firmware, and useful tips. All our solutions are released under our 1-bit brand. And now we're ready to introduce our first development, our 1-bit 1. This is a universal board that can work as an add-on for Arduino, or it can be completely standalone with scripts written in a simple language similar to BASIC. To get started, you just need to connect it to your computer or even to your phone via Bluetooth. No complicated setup required. Everything is simple and straightforward. The board can be powered via USB-C or from an external source, anywhere from 8 to 50 volts. Now, a bit about the technical capabilities. On board, we have 4 power relays rated up to 250 volts and 10 amps, 3 open collector outputs up to 500 milliamps, 4 analog inputs up to 30 volts, and another 4 up to 6 volts, support for interfaces like one-wire, I2C, UART, and RS485, 2 digital-to-analog converter channels, and 4 PWM outputs up to 500 kHz. And what's especially cool is that it has an experimental programmable power output. If you use a USB-C adapter that supports power delivery, you can get anywhere from 5 to 20 volts for your external devices. In the next video, we'll show in detail how this works, how to assemble both simple and complex circuits, and how to easily write scripts without needing deep programming knowledge. Subscribe so you don't miss out. See you in the next episode.